Factor tree of 108. So 108, it can be written as 2 times 54. 2 times 54 means 108. So 54, it can be written as 2 times 27. 2 times 27 means 54. 27, it can be written as 3 times 9. 3 times 9 means 27. And this 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. It is equal to 9. So now we have to find out the prime factors in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, these 2, 3, 3 and 3. So we can write 108 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 3 times this 3 and times this 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.